are optional, enter. And then flags, hash symbol, flags in arguments are optional, right? We'll explain it. So basically, you need to pass the pattern and the string and then some flags, okay? So all these arguments, all these methods will take only two arguments, pattern and then string and then answer, enter. We start off with some simple, enter. My str1 equal to my str1 equal to India is my double quotes. India is my country. India is a good country. Type India twice. India is a good country. So this is the string. Enter. Enter. Now pattern 1. So guys, remember that in Python strings, the backslash is a special character. Okay, backslash is a special character. But in the pattern, if you use backslash, that will mess up. So typically, in most of the times, what people will do while they define pattern is that they will make it as a raw string. So now you put the pattern 1 equal to pattern 1 equal to, always you should give space, equal to space. Space equal to space, or small r. Double quotes. So R means what? Raw string. Raw string means what? Do not give or do not treat. Right? So do not treat slash as a special character. Don't do that. That is what like R means. R means a raw string. Okay. I mean remove the double quotes actually. No. R and then the double quotes. First the double quotes is not given. Now after that you can give the pattern. Say like you are looking for India. Can you type India? INDIA. Now this is not a double quotes. Close the double quotes. Enter. Now India is an absolute match. Enter. So we are going to start off with an absolute match, and then gradually we will move to the complex such methods. Now you can say output 1 or result 1. Result 1 equal to space equal to space. Now RE dot search. So RE is the module, search is the method. So these methods will take minimum 2 arguments. One is the pattern, the next one is the string, third one is the flags. Flags I will give some example later. Open parenthesis, start the parenthesis, give pattern 1 comma my str1. So pattern 1 is like India, and then my str1 is like India is like close it up, close the parenthesis, enter. Okay, enter. Now you need to print the result 1. Just type result 1 or alone, the result 1. So the same thing is what you will be repeating for all the other patterns. So please pay more attention. Enter. It is showing us something. So this is, can you put a type of result 1? So let us understand what type of object it is. It is basically a match object. Type of result 1. So you see that it's a match object. So let me come again. We need to learn search, match, substitute, split, find all, then finally compile. These are the methods that we should learn as per the middle expression. In this, apart from compile, all the other arguments will take up 2 arguments, mandatory arguments called pattern and the string. Third is the flags. Okay, so now you have to define your pattern 1. While you define the pattern 1, this is the best practice to always put small r. Small r stands for what? Raw string. What does it mean? Inside your pattern, if at all if you have backslash, that backslash will be treated as a special sequence in Python strings. To bypass that, no, don't do that. If you see a slash, it's a slash only. It's not a special character. How do you mention that? By saying small r in your pattern. So small r in here. So here I have absolute pattern. Slowly let us move to the other types of pattern. Right? Yeah. Now, okay, then if you do re.search of pattern comma nice, yeah, it will throw you a match object. Good. Can you put a dir of match object? So now let us understand what are the supported methods and variables of dir of result1. So where is that? Result1 only. Result1 is the match object. Opposite of n. Right? You do so many things, right? We will execute one by one. Can you print result1 dot string? Result1 dot string, no parenthesis. Result1 dot string, enter. No parenthesis. I said no parenthesis. Because it's a way, guys, when you see not callable error, what does it mean? If you see a not callable error, then it is a variable, but you have unknowingly added a parenthesis at the end, like how you typically call a function. So whenever you see a not callable problem, you should immediately remove the parenthesis because it's a variable. Variable does not need a parenthesis, and the methods definitely they need a parenthesis. Good. So guys, when you give a match object dot result, what do you see? So dot string, what do you see? Whatever the strings that you have used for your search. Good. Now you put result1 dot group, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, enter. So do you see that? Oh, India. Good. Now you put result1 dot span. Span will tell you the match. Dot span, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. We give the open parenthesis, close parenthesis, we give you the index. Enter. So it says 0 through 5. Why? India starts with 0 and ends with 5. Good. Now can you also type result1 dot groups? There are multiple groups, then result dot groups should show you something up. Good. It is nothing, so which means that there seems to be only one match. Okay, good. Now, can you print result1 dot start? Not the start. This is the start enter. So at the 0th index, the starting matching is there. Result1 dot end now. Dot end. So this will give you the ending index. Span will give you the both. So now can you please scroll up and show us some methods related to clear out slowly. And we have learned.
Sir, Varun here.
Go ahead, Varun.
Whether it will give only the first match because India is. Yes, sir, thank you.
You are proposing that there are two Indias, why only one India is being shown, etc.
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
I will help you to solve it.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Sir, sorry, one more thing, sir. There are two countries also, right, sir? So we are not. It is not listing when I am doing the group, right?
No, we are searching based on the word India only, right?
Okay, we are assigned the pattern is equal to India, then we are only
India.
For India. Okay.
So basically pattern one is India, so we'll be getting only India matching, not country.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Right?
Yeah, thank
right. Okay, so what we are supposed to learn now? Can you please scroll up? So regular expression is the module that will help us to do pattern-based advanced search. Good. It has lot of methods. We have picked up search. It takes two words, pattern, string. So and then it will create you either none or a match object. If there is no match, it will give you none. If there is a match, it will give you a match object. Then we printed the dir of that match object. It is showing the starting index, ending index, span, then will give you the range. Likewise, it is also giving which string you tried, etc. So this is what we are supposed to learn in your thing. Because now, right, one second. Right. So now India has got matched, etc. Good. Now, can you use pattern 1, 2 equal to pattern 1, 2. So it's a sub pattern of 1, 2 equal to double quotes, sorry, R and then double quotes. Now you give space and then the India. Space and then India and then give us a search.
Should I type results, sir?
Yes, now result 1, 2. Result 1, 2. How will you put RE dot search in bracket? You will give pattern 1, 2, comma search pattern 1, 2, comma MySTR. MySTR. Now like try with
MySTR1, I think.
yeah, MySTR1. Yes, you are right. Enter. Now print a result to check whether it is none or not. So between 20 to 26 it is getting connected, right? So this is what the second India. Somebody was trying to ask why the second India did not get picked up, right? Now, right. So now we put a result 1, 2 dot string dot start dot end and then dot group.
Start, we have to give the parenthesis, right?
It's a method. Only string is the variable.
He has given start only, sir. Parenthesis is missing.
Yeah,
Just plus the up arrow mark and you can edit. You did not type entire thing, Joel. Use up arrow mark, just put go there and put the type 2. That's enough.
Yes, is all. And then result 1 to end and then group. And then string end start other things you tried, right? Group. Because there is only one match. So it has matched space and then India. Now let us try to move to the next level. I want you to find out the word that ends with DIE. How do you do that? Pattern 1, 3. 1, 3 equal to small r. So now tell me guys how to do that.
Yeah, DIA he can type the now. He can create a.
Okay, if you put a DIA, try to do a search. Put a result 1, 3 and then search it. Again, this is also an absolute match.
I'm just trying, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, please feel free. It's okay. Intention is to give a try and then learn from that. Comma, MySTR1. Yeah, print result 3. Okay, and then the span analysis. So it is actually making from 2 to 5, correct? Now the next
Yes.
is that okay, we have tried with some absolute match. When we try with some pattern based match, what you do? Use up arrow, go to pattern 14, and then you put dot dot DA.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, pattern 13,
14, sir.
14, okay, yeah. Dot dot DA. Yeah, execute that. Currently, yeah, right, it has matched with 20, 26, right? No, I think you have given a wrong match. Is it the correct one? Pattern 14 is what? I think before 2 dots, there is a space. Or the course. Can you please highlight that pattern 14? Yeah, now it should match the first one. Yeah, please execute that. It is matching the first one, correct? Now use up arrow, define pattern 15 equal to R double quotes, caret symbol and then dot dot. 15 R double quotes, caret symbol. The one this is at shift is 6. Caret. Before 2 dots, add caret symbol. Execute that. You will still get the same output. Put the result 15 into the same one. So guys, earlier we tried with the absolute match by saying India, and then now we put a 2 dot, and then now I have added caret symbol as well. So now what does it mean is that Regex question is actually the easiest thing in the world. Or what we should try is like we should be knowing the patterns. For example, can you put a hash in 3 single quote? 3 single quote. Enter. You can put a caret symbol, space, start. So which means that something is at the start of the script. What is the opposite? Enter. What is the opposite of caret symbol? Dollar. Which means that end of dollar space end. So this is something you are looking at the end. Okay, enter. Okay, enter. So likewise, there are lot of things that are there. Dot means any single character. Make it fast, please. Dot means any single character. And then star means 0 or more. Plus means 1 or more. 1 or more. And then question mark is like 0 or 1. and then square parenthesis, like a list, right? Put a square parenthesis.
check ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
Means set. It means set. Yeah, curly brace is the number of times. Curly brace.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చామా the tubelite వచ్చాం
So you can say it's ABC 3 times. Because you can give it now. I'm going to enter. Pipe symbol. Pipe symbol. Either or. I mean or basically. Good. Now close the tracing, guys. So now all what you should be knowing is that the meanings of this kind of special ones. A dollar means at the end, all those things. Okay? Enter. Enter. Now use the up arrow instead of pattern print. Can you print the pattern 15? Print pattern 15. Enter and then enter pattern 15. Now based on this, now we are going to add a here button. Put a pattern 16 and then put a dot DAA. Open okay, or double quotes dot DAA dollar. So dollar means what we are telling. Hey, at the end of this sentence there should be a word that ends with the DAA. Now use the up arrow. Instead of pattern 15, you try with the pattern 16. Use up arrow. Enter. Now result equal to what is that? RE dot is okay. Search pattern 15 minus 1. Yeah, enter it. Now, yeah, result 16. Now, enter it. Result 16 should be yeah, an empty. It's the prediction of the C. Empty. Why? Because there is no match. When I gave India, it really has got matched. But when I pushed the system to check for India at the end of the sentence, but what is the end of the sentence in our string? India is my country. Country. Since India is not present at the final one, here it is saying empty. Now result is 70. Result is 70. Pattern 7. Pattern 7. And then result. First we put the pattern 7. Pattern 7. Instead of now important. First R double quote space. Dot star. No, sir. You need to put a star. And then dot. Yeah. Now enter. Guys, let me explain this pattern. Please try to understand that. R means what? Varun Kumar, R means what?
Sir, raw stream.
Exactly. Raw string. So after that, even if you have given some backslash, it will be treated as just a backslash, not a special sequence. Good. Double quotes as space is wait. Please keep the window there. So Now dot means what?
Any single character.
Any single character. Star means what?
Any number of occurrence.
Yeah,
Includes
no,
zero.
0 or more occurrence.
Yeah, including zero.
Yeah, that is what? 0 or more occurrence.
Yes.
Good. And then dollar means what? It should be the end. Now, okay, before executing, can you guys tell me what are we trying to fetch out of this pattern?
Try to get the last word
Last word.
after
Exactly.
space.
Exactly. Why? First, I need the an absolute match.
Sir, one small
Then
help. Can you just print MyStr so people will be able to remember? Just print MyStr
Sure.
so that they will be able to apply the pattern on the string. Print MyStr.
Sure. ISTR1. Okay. Yeah. So, guys, first we started off with the basic absolute match, and then I introduced two small dots. Now it is a full pattern. No letter is there. Dot star means any character, any number of times. Good. Space means what? There should be a fixed space. Dollar means what? That should be the end. Now can you print pattern 17 and then put pattern 17 dot span? Yeah, result to 17 equal to.
We didn't try that re dot search. We didn't get it.
That is what he's trying, right? Result search.
Yes.
Yeah, put the result 17. Right? Now, there was a speculation that the matching will only be the last word only. Correct? Last word only, that is what the expectation, right? But look at that. It has moved from the very first space to till Y, till the last. That's the reason it is my country, India is, can you please highlight that? So here if you look at, the first space is representing our first space. But from is to country, the dot star is taking care of it. Dot star is taking care of everything. Dollar means empty, dollar means the end. Now, use the up arrow, put the pattern 18 equal to R double quotes, 18 equal to pattern R double quotes 18. Slash W, slash W, yeah, remove that everything, slash W dollar. No, backslash. Okay, are you typing? You guys, are you able to see which you are typing actually?
Yes, sir.
The formula has got stuck there.
Result 18 will first print.
Ramya, Raga, please attempt
Typing
this.
it.
You see, result 18 is output, so it's matched with Y.
Okay. Hey, I'm seeing only pattern 18 only. I'm not able to see result 18 and. Okay, what do you see on screen now?
Now double entered and it was shown previously like RE match object span 43, 44 match Y.
இந்த லூம் இருக்காங்கப்பா இப்போ ஃப்ரீயாக தான் நம்ம காசு கொடுக்கல
Oh, what do you see on the
6
screen
நிமிஷம்
now?
தான்
The
ரெக்கார்ட்
last
பண்ண
word.
விடுறோம் 6 நிமிஷம் 10 நிமிஷம் கட் ஆயிருது
Okay, fine.
பழைய
Let's
வாட்டி
do this.
ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணும்போது 2 மணி நேரம் கொடுத்தான்
Okay. Okay. For me, I'm 600. Give me a second, guys. Let me refresh my screen.
Sir, one small request. Can we modify MySTR with some special characters like $, or rupees, some symbol with that email ID? Maybe gokul@marscaptech.com is the marketing idea of Marscaptech something.